Hey guys, it's just me. Just got off my first day of my new job. It's great. Tough work. I can handle it. A lot of it, I have to be on my feet the whole time. Not a bad idea. It hurts a little bit, but I can handle it. 8 hours a shift. Um, it's really good. If I pass through all the training, I'll let you guys know where I'm working. But it's amazing. I gotta say that much. That I'm actually able to work here. My first day training was not supposed to be on register right away. It's supposed to be computer stuff, so that way I get to know the policies and everything. So my next day of training, which will be Monday night, I will basically be on the computer instead for 90% of my shift, as they said, and then the rest I'll be on register. So it's no different than me being on my computer all day, according to other people. No, it's a lot different, but I can handle it. Right now, I'm tired. I barely got sleep, so I'm barely functioning. So when I get home, I'm gonna get changed and go to sleep. But other than that, it's a lot of work, a lot of stuff that I'm physically able to do. Got to know two of my coworkers that I'll be working with if I pass the training. Hopefully I do. But it's going well so far. A lot of you already know where I work, if you are my real friends, in person I should say. Eventually everyone who's here will be my real friend. Follower, subscriber, whatever you want to call it. But you guys can actually tell your friends about me, and I will let you guys know how fun it is later on down the road. When it gets to be the part where it's going to be, oh my gosh, this is a lot of fun, or oh my gosh, this is too hard work. But I'm not going to be bitching and complaining about that. I'm just going to be like, damn, this stuff is awesome, for now. And then hopefully later on down the road, way down the road, I can see what I can do about moving up. I stopped working for Fridays due to the fact that it was, when I was working, in the beginning I was getting a lot of shifts. Yeah, I was enjoying it. But the days and then later on, I started getting less and less shifts. Basically 2 to 3, maybe 4 days a week. Barely scraping by getting $100 100 to almost not even making to 200 a week. Sorry, every 2 weeks. I'm like, I can't live on that. So I moved on to a different job. You know what? Heck with it. Just heck with it. I'll show you. That's my new job. I'm now an associate with QuickCheck. I'm now out of Fridays. A job that only pays me maybe $8 an hour. Oh, that was the last time I checked. Maybe $8.06. But an hour and then plus tip share. I was barely scraping by. Barely. I couldn't pay for any of my bills. I couldn't even put $100 down for internet. I couldn't. I had too many bills. And I was barely getting maybe $50 towards the bills that I needed. Other than my credit card bills, my internet bill I had to put $50 down to. I put $50 down to all my major bills, such as internet, one credit card, another credit card. Oh wait, that's at $150. That just takes up my one paycheck. And I had to do that. I had put $400 a month to my bills. I had to put $50 a month to internet when it's $150 for my internet. And I'm 2 months behind. Actually, no, 3 months now. So I had to get a new job to pay for it all. So I got paid. I'm going to be getting paid in 2 weeks. Then after that, it's going to be every week I get paid. And I'm getting $11 to $12 an hour. Depends on everything. You know, it's... I can't wait. And I know you guys are probably wondering, why do I look like I have a big head? Or a big forehead? I want to give you an update on my hair as well. It's growing out. I'm gonna get it. Eventually I'm gonna braid it to be like a Nordic style. But I'm actually planning on having it grow out even more than this, because I can't braid it right now, because I have to braid it and then I have to bring it all the way to the back. I barely have enough hair to just go to the back right now. Just for this part here, it just barely makes it to the back. But I can't braid it because then it's just to stop right here. So eventually, when my hair gets even longer, the sides will be braided, hair will be all the way back on the top, going down my back. That's my plan right now. So I have to take very good care of my hair right now. I know it looks like I have a damn mullet. A mullet of all things. That's 80s styles. Mel Gibson wants his 80s styles back. Sorry, I had to put a line of NCIS in there. But other than that, I'm having a blast. The one manager that I was dealing with for night time, or actually working with, she's really nice. The other one that I got to shortly interact with, amazing. It's funny, gets everything. Another manager that I interacted with, he's a gas manager, amazing guy as well. Right now they're all tired because it's early on in their shift. They'll be awake when it gets closer to the middle of the shift. But everything's going on well. So I'll give you guys another update, and probably the next day. But guys, please have a great rest of your day. Continue to watch these videos if you'd like, or go back and watch the old ones. I'm also live streaming on Nihilus Revan. I'm going to be putting it as a feature channel to the... If you go to the... Hold a second. If you go to the featured channels list on the side, it'll show Robert Revan right now. I'm hoping to put it as Nihilus Revan there too. A couple others there too as well. I will also be putting a link down below for Discord, so you guys can join in and put in and then click on my name directly, which will be Malik_Revan. Click on that, right click on there, hit message, send me a message saying that you're a YouTube subscriber and such, and then I will put you as that, and then you'll get notifications when I'm live on any platform, such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Mixer. I'm planning on expanding my horizons as well for that. So that way, if I start getting paid by Twitch, I will stop streaming on Mixer. I'll make a lot of my stuff that is for YouTube. I'll make another account for Unlisted. And basically post it, or I can make it unlisted through Nihilus for the videos. And then I'll send the, then I'll upload it as like a later thing, or I might just record it instead of going live on YouTube just record it and then post it, and then basically on Mixer I'll basically just stop using it. Mixer's a lot harder to use, I will say that much. I don't like it. Twitch is a lot easier, makes everything, the dashboard for the live dashboard, a lot easier to handle. I will also be doing my own artwork on there eventually, but you guys take care. I didn't want to turn this into like a little rant on my stuff, but please, if you don't see the link just yet, don't worry. It will be up when I get my computer fixed. So take it easy.